everyone, Husky Ninja here, and today I have an unboxing slash unpackaging of a new JSK I ordered. I ordered myself a new dress from Maz's Boutique, which arrived this morning, and I have opened the end, but I haven't seen what it looks like inside. I have seen preview photos, which I'll include in this video, as well as a try-on. Well, a couple of try-on photos as well. Let's open it and see. Maz, if you're watching this, you've outdone yourself yet again. As I knew about the dress and the head bow, but I had no idea you'd make a matching tote bag to go with it. Oh, and you even added some stickers too. Okay, this is the head bow. I'll take out the bag so you all can see how it looks. She's even included these really adorable San Reno stickers. They're going to go into my journal. But this is the adorable head bow, which is chocolate themed with a really cute fork and spoon on the top. And I like how the headband is not going to dig in too much behind my ears. And I just love how cute that is. Move that bit out of the way. And I will have to stand up to show you guys some of the dress. But I will also put it on my mannequin as well. But here is the chest. Well, the front of the dress is really, really cute. With the bows and chocolate striping going up the straps. And the same gold rose buttons are also on the waist ties as well. And the really adorable bear pattern is even on the tie back waist ties. It's really brown, nice brown ribbon on the back. It will melt the bottom end so that they don't fray, especially around our cat. As he's a little bit of a ribbon fiend. But I'll stand up so you guys can see the dress. This is the skirt part. And it says Chocolate Bear. And I really love how cute this is. As my wardrobe is mostly sweet and pink, I really wanted something chocolate. Originally I wanted a chocolate version of my pink and chocolate dress. That's also by Maz. But she told me she couldn't get that fabric anymore. So I got this really adorable dress, which I think is absolutely precious, with all the bears at the bottom and the little details as well. So I'm going to pause the video while I go put it on. Okay, I have the dress on and the really adorable head bow. But here is the dress. I haven't done the corset back in or the waist ties properly yet. But you can see just how adorable this dress is, with all of the bears at the bottom. And it fits right home in my sweet Lolita wardrobe. And I love how it's a fabric that's easy to breathe in for spring and summer. But also means I won't get too hot in autumn and winter when I wear it, which I absolutely love. So if you ever want Lolita dresses in the UK, I recommend checking out Maz's boutique. She has loads of dresses, and I've so far gotten 3 dresses from her, and I love how her dresses look and feel. So if you're ever at a convention, or if you're ever like on Etsy at Lolita for Lolita dresses, or just cute fashion, make sure you check out Maz's boutique. And I'll put a link down below to her store so you guys can check her out. Bye everyone, and thank you so much, Maz. I love this dress.